Do you need a dash cam in your vehicle? Short answer, yes. Actually, the short answer, or a little bit longer answer, is yes, absolutely. It's very important if you're involved in a car accident, any type of incident with a pedestrian, bicyclist, or another vehicle, to have it documented by a dash cam. The reality is anymore, you can get on Amazon or go to your local store and pick up a dash cam very inexpensively. You don't have to go spend hundreds of dollars for a dash cam. You can get a dash cam, a good dash cam, well less than $50, probably well less than around the $30 mark. And it is a very inexpensive insurance policy, in my opinion, because what we see a lot is after a car wreck, if we don't have any video of it, we see the at-fault driver squirming and wiggling, trying to get out of it, trying to say that this is what happened, or they were going too fast, they were going faster than they should have been, all these kinds of things. If you have a video, it clears it right up. And we've seen that a lot in the news lately, where videos are worth 1,000 words. Juries can see the video, insurance adjusters can see the video, and regardless of what the at-fault driver may be saying, the video speaks for itself. So I strongly encourage you to invest in, like I said, an inexpensive dash cam. Goes on your windshield. It's easy to set up. You plug it right into your cigarette lighter. It turns on when your car turns on, and it records. In fact, it actually loops over. And if there's an impact, most of them have a little G-force sensor. And if there's an impact or a quick stop or something to that effect, it actually time marks, stamps it, and saves that portion of the video. So it can become very useful. It can also be your worst enemy if it's your fault, but that's a reality of it. So get a dash cam if you can. It's a very inexpensive insurance policy to be sure that what happens to you is well documented.